Okay, so after we put these bunk beds in, that's in one of our other videos, you can check that out if you didn't see that already. We have this much space to work with on this side, so we have decided to make some shelves to put in there. So here they are in the camper, the shelves. We notched out back here so that we wouldn't have to mess with the trim that we have along the middle part of the camper. We didn't want to cut it out. So we actually notched the shelf on both sides. So we did it on, ooh, that's dark over here. Let me open that. There. Notched it over here too so that it'll sit flush against the wall back here. And we're going to take these little L brackets and secure it to the wall so it doesn't move while we're in travel mode. And then I'm going to put some totes in there. Got the shelves installed, the totes in. We did the L brackets right there. So it is, whoops, now I can't get that back in there. Sorry, nice and sturdy, stuck to the wall, ain't going nowhere. Now we're just trying to figure out how we want to set it up to keep these from flopping out while we're in travel mode. So may put some eyelets in a couple of spots, and then maybe one down at the bottom, and kind of zigzag some bungees just to hold those in while we're in traveling mode so they don't go flying all around the camper. But I like them. I think they turned out pretty nice. I think it looks pretty good. We're either going to use them for clothes or something, probably clothes. That way we don't have to dig clothes out of the totes, because we were using those totes down there. Of course, now that we have the bunk beds and not the big bed, we don't have to crawl around on the floor trying to get those out. So that's also pretty nice. So we can kind of use those as backup. Maybe if we go when it's cold, we can put hoodies and jackets and stuff in there, extra shoes and stuff. So there it is. It's all set up. Looks pretty nice. Even got it kind of painted to match the side of the vanity.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and share our video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time we upload a new video. We really love that you join us on all of our happy adventures, and we hope to see you again really, really soon.